Welcome to our channel How to Guide everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can get H&M promo code. And by using H&M promo code during the checkout time, you guys can get a certain % discount off depending on the promo code you use. Now let me show you guys how you guys can find it. And before I show you the steps on how you guys can do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to this website called Coupon Follow. So search for Coupon Follow and click on the first option where it says couponfollow.com. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to its official page. Over here at the top, you want to write H&M. So I'm going to write H and M, and it's going to show me H&M.com. So I'm going to click on it. Once I do that, all the promo code of H&M is going to be displayed over here. And to use certain codes, you need to follow their criteria. So if I want to use this 15% off code, I need to receive up to 15% off when I use these promo codes. So make sure to read these criteria before you use any one of them. So let's say I want to use this. I can click on show coupon code and the code is going to be shown over here. Now I can copy it and paste it on my H&M checkout page and I can get this % off from my purchase. So hope you guys understand how to find H&M promo code. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.